In our previous class we studied reaction of metals with oxygen. Now in this session we will study reaction of non-metals with oxygen. How do the non-metals react with oxygen? For that one, what I have taken? Sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal. Observe this. What is its color? What is the color? What is its color? Yellow color. Sulfur is yellow powder. Okay. Now this is known as a deflagrating spoon. What we call it? Deflagrating spoon. So I have taken a small quantity of sulfur in deflagrating spoon, or if it is not available we can take it as spatula also. Now I need a spirit lamp and sulfur powder and blue litmus paper. What is this? Blue litmus paper and a matchstick. Before starting the experiment, what we have to do? We have to lit the spirit lamp. Now observe this. I have taken a small quantity of sulfur powder in deflagrating spoon. I am heating. One minute. Water. Give me some water. Pour it. Pour the water. Pour the water on it. Now observe this one. Sulfur is burning with blue flame. Can you see the flame? Can you see the flame? Is it burning or not? Okay. Now don't inhale the gases. This gas is poisonous gas. Okay. This is poisonous gas. Don't inhale it. After this, still the sulfur is burning. I am collecting the gas obtained by burning sulfur. Can you see the gas? Can you see the gas? White fumes. Can you see the gas? Some gas is evolving. Observe the gas. Okay. What is the gas formed? Sulfur dioxide. The gas is sulfur dioxide. Okay. The gas is sulfur dioxide. Now, see, I collected the gas in a gas collecting jar. Okay. White gas is there. Can you see the gas? Fumes. Okay. It is nothing but sulfur dioxide. What is that? Sulfur dioxide. Now give me some water. I am dissolving the gas. Close it. See this. Okay, I dissolved sulfur dioxide in water. Now, what I am doing? I am testing with the blue litmus paper. This is blue litmus paper. This is the blue litmus paper. Observe this one. This is the blue litmus paper. I am testing the solution with the blue litmus paper. What happens? Observe this. Do you find any change in its color? Yes. What is the change? Pink. Pink color or red color. Gradually it changes to red. Okay. Blue litmus paper turns to red. Blue litmus paper turns to red. So when you burn the non-metal in the presence of oxygen, it gives non-metallic oxides. Non-metallic oxides. When you dissolve these non-metallic oxides in water, acids are formed. What are formed? Acids are formed. How can you say this is an acid? When you test the solution with the blue litmus paper, the blue litmus paper gradually turns to red. Gradually turns to red. So with this we can conclude that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. So what are the precautions to be taken? Never inhale the gas released when burning the sulfur. When you burn the sulfur, you will get sulfur dioxide, which is a poisonous gas. It is a poisonous gas. Are you clear about that one? Okay. Never try to inhale the gas. Are you clear? Are you clear about that one? Okay. I hope I made the concept crystal clear to you. Do you understand that? Okay. After going home, once again you verify your textbook. You verify your textbook and follow the experiment. Write down. Write down this. See, sulfur. What is the color of the sulfur powder? Yellow. Sulfur reacts with oxygen to give sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. When sulfur dioxide dissolved in water, you will get acid solution. Acid solution. How can you say it is an acid? The acid solution turns blue litmus paper to which color? To red. Are you clear? So what are the materials needed for that one? Small quantity of sulfur powder, next spatula or deflagrating spoon, and spirit lamp, and matchbox. Are you clear about that one? And blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. So what are the precautions to be taken? What are the precautions to be taken? We never inhale the gases. Okay. Released when we burn the sulfur, because sulfur dioxide is a poisonous gas. Sulfur dioxide is a poisonous gas. Are you clear? Okay. Make a note of all these things. Okay. Right. Close it.